What's up guys, it's me Classic Caillou, and today's video I will be pulling the fire alarm here at the Blondstone Inn. Why? Because I heard that the Heffleys are staying here for the nights as they're on the way to their memoirs. And if I pull the fire alarm it will wake up Manny. And you know what happens when you wake up Manny in the middle of his nap. This is gonna be the best prank ever. Alright, now that it's 3 in the morning I will pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha, here it goes.
Come on guys, let's go.
Yes, I pulled the fire alarm. Oh no, I see the Heffleys coming. Better run.
I don't know why the fire alarm would go off and wake up me. Now it will take us hours to calm me down.
Ha 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 ha, that was so funny. Oh no, I'm screwed.
Oh, so you were the one who pulled the fire alarm. Go back home right now.
Oh, whoa, 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 Classic Caillou. How dare you pull the fire alarm and wake up the Heffleys? Thanks to you, you woke up Manny. That's it, you're grounded into Thanksgiving. Go to your room now.